Welcome back to Wheelhouse, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into one of India's most iconic and dependable SUVs, the all-new 2026 Mahindra Bolero B6. Known for its rugged nature, timeless appeal, and incredible utility, the Bolero has always stood tall in the Indian market. Now, in 2026, Mahindra takes it a step further with smarter features, improved safety, and modern design, while keeping its tough DNA intact. Design and exterior. The 2026 Bolero B6 maintains the classic silhouette that fans love but brings in subtle refinements. The front grille is sharper, bolder, and now houses sleeker halogen headlamps with integrated LED DRLs. The bumper design has been tweaked slightly to give it a more muscular look. Steel wheels come standard in the B6 variant, and though alloy wheels are reserved for higher trims, the overall road presence of this SUV remains strong and commanding. Mahindra has also introduced new color options for the Bolero, including a deep forest green and a matte silver finish, adding freshness to its otherwise utilitarian design. The build quality continues to be robust, perfect for rough terrains and rural roads. Interior and comfort. Step inside, and you'll notice some modern touches that improve the comfort factor. The 2026 Bolero B6 now comes with a dual-tone dashboard, improved fabric upholstery, and a slightly updated instrument cluster. While it doesn't offer luxury-level features, Mahindra has included essential upgrades like a semi-digital speedometer, Bluetooth-enabled audio system, and power windows. Seating remains spacious for 5 to 7 passengers, depending on the configuration, and the cabin is designed to be low maintenance, perfect for commercial or rural users. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Bolero B6 continues to be powered by the tried and tested 1.5 L Mach 75 diesel engine, producing 75 horsepower and 210 Nm of torque. It's paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox that delivers smooth gear shifts and a balanced drive. While it's not built for speed, the Bolero excels in torque delivery, fuel efficiency, and load handling, key attributes for rural and semi-urban markets. The suspension setup is built to handle bad roads, and ground clearance remains generous, making it perfect for both city potholes and off-road challenges. Mahindra has fine-tuned the NVH levels slightly for better cabin quietness. Safety features. In 2026, Mahindra brings in improved safety standards for the Bolero B6. You now get dual airbags, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensors, and a speed alert system as standard. The chassis has also undergone minor enhancements for better crash protection. While it's not packed with advanced driver assistance features, it delivers solid basic safety in line with government regulations. Pricing and value. The 2026 Mahindra Bolero B6 is expected to be priced around 10 lakh rupees ex-showroom, keeping it competitive for buyers seeking durability, utility, and reliability. For commercial operators, farmers, and fleet owners, the Bolero B6 continues to offer incredible value for money with low maintenance costs and high resale value. Final thoughts. The 2026 Mahindra Bolero B6 may not be flashy or futuristic, but it doesn't need to be. It's a workhorse with a legacy, and now, with a touch of modern refinement. Mahindra knows its audience well, and the B6 variant reflects that balance between tradition and necessity. If you're looking for a rugged, reliable SUV that's built to last and easy to maintain, the Bolero B6 should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for tuning into Wheelhouse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and updates on the latest automotive launches. Stay tuned and drive safe.